Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by turning on the built-in widget host, news and interests, so the system can surface live cards. Right-click the taskbar and choose the show option. This places the weather icon and feed. Once done, click the icon to open the panel and sign into your Microsoft account because personalization requires account data. Make sure Windows is updated. Without the appropriate build, the option won't appear. This gives you a native, supported widget panel without third-party tools. Now you refine what appears. Open the panel and interact with any card. Use the three-dot menu to follow or unfollow topics, mute sources, or pin items you want quick access to. Once you adjust a few cards, the algorithm learns your preferences and shows more relevant stories. That's why manual curation speeds up accuracy. Make sure to set your location for weather cards and enable notifications if you want timely alerts. These steps let you shape the widget experience. Finish by validating stability. If the icon vanishes, restart Explorer or reboot. This forces the taskbar to reload. Make sure optional features and system components are up to date via settings. Outdated components can block the widget host. If the panel opens but content is blank, run Windows Update, and if needed, open an elevated command prompt to run sfc/scano to repair system files. One key troubleshooting tip: sign out and sign back into your Microsoft account to refresh feed permissions and sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.